Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia X10. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change white balance between warm and cold, manage lock screen preferences, change notifications on lock screen between show notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. Next, you can enable or disable add a glance function, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, always show time and info, and wake screen for notifications. Then you can enable or disable double tap to check phone and lift to check phone. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and also enable or disable screen attention function. Next, we can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, auto rotate screen, and set screensaver. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.